Hello everyone. Today we have an Omen HP Omen laptop that has a common fault, which is, oh my god, it's too hard, a broken hinge. Yeah, let me remove the frame, see how bad it is. Wow, too much. It does have, let me zoom in, show you how bad it is. So this one, it has broken metal. This is the other part, and as sure there you have the plastic chassis that is broken too. So it should be an easy job. Let me begin with disassembling the unit, and I will show you what will happen.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.
Of course, it's gonna need about 24 hours to cure, but I can manipulate it within 5 minutes, give it a shape. Great. The last one. Great. Add some more glue. Spreading away as much as I can, so can the glue grip more firmly around each nut, especially in the corners. You can see the glue is already hardening. I don't have that much of time, so I need to act fast. Yeah, and that's it. Alright, now I'm gonna let the glue cure for a moment. Let me give it a shape. It's shaping out. Great. Yeah, great. Good. It will be good. Okay. Now let me weld those two hinge parts, and we will get back the plastic things. We put the screen aside. I don't want to burn it. That's it. We're gonna let it cool down a bit. Let it cool down a bit because it's very hot. Wow, too much heat. Even though we can hold it. Aye, good as new. I'm gonna make it cool down a bit. It's very hot. Yeah. And also, I need to grind. Yeah, this is it. I need to grind those excess in a while. As you can see right now, the resin came white. That means it hardens. It's hard, very hard, very sturdy. Now, but first, I need to loosen this hinge a little bit. But it's loose. It is very loose right now. And when it's loose, we should apply some white grease. Tighten it. Oh no, it's too tight. Loosen it. Okay. From here. Yeah. Great. Now let me put back this done. Let me put back the screw. That. Great. And now for the there's more broken parts. I should do more glue. Here we have this part broken in this way. So what I'm gonna do, as usual, apply glue and hardener on the other side. So this over here. Yeah, you can do it. Perfect. One moment. Piece of paper. And what is the hardener? Hardener over here. Okay. Now I need to bond these two together. 1, 2, 3, and it's done. Yeah, that's it. Adding extra layer. Adding extra layer of You think it's enough? Yeah, I think too. That it's enough. Great. It's hard enough to hold the weight. Moving those things aside for a moment. And assembling back the oh no, it's not like this. Should be like this. Okay. Perfect. That's good. That's good. And now, let me route this cable around. Continuing routing. And that's the final step. Now getting
You can't fall asleep when you're counting stars. Get it together. Your mind can't sleep when you let it serve. Now you wanna see me fall. From a quarter mile I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you
And now putting back the outer frame. Now cleaning the processor and the GPU, applying new thermal paste. Great. This one too. Perfect. Now that is my heatsink. Here it is. Some alcohol pads. That will remove them easily. Some more cleaning. Now applying some thermal paste. First on the GPU. That's enough. Where's my metal plate? Here it is. It's an NVIDIA VGA. Good one. I don't know which part number is this. Now time for the processor. Spreading around the thermal paste so that can cover the whole area without any problem. Putting back my thermal paste. Now for the assembly. Now, moment of truth. Will it hold the pressure? Oh, great. Really great. It did hold the pressure. Now let's start. Let us test the laptop if it's turned on or not. Will it turn on? I don't know. Will it turn on? I really don't know. Yeah, it turned on. Is there a screen? Do we have a display? It's turning on. Where's the display? Oh my god, we have a problem. There's another issue. We have a problem with the flexible cable. So the laptop is turning on, but we have a problem with the flat cable. We should fix it. Continuing disassembling the frame. Great. And we need to disassemble this part. Only, let me show you where. This part, as the flexible or the moving part of the cable is this area in here. So let me remove this part. Okay, great. You see, this is the one. This is the one that I need. Okay, now for the fun part. The fun part is that this area needs some work. So what I'm gonna do now is cut this whole area, but first let me change my blade, my cutting blade head, to cut smoother in the cable without any pressure. The blade is changed, blade head is changed. Now making the surgery cut. You see how the new blade head is very sharp. I should cut till here. No need for more. Okay, let me see if that's enough. Found our problem. Here it is. There's even a power connector. Found our problem. Great. What a great thing. Here we can find that this connector needs to be soldered. Okay, it's very tiny space, I know, but we can do it. So I'm gonna remove the little bit of the shield with my very sharp knife. Wow, great. Can you see? It's very sharp. It can make a cut so easily, even to my fingers. So I should be very careful. Great, done. Now I'm gonna solder the wires. I don't know if you can see it, but you should see it. Yeah, this, like this is better. Let me grab a little holder so it can hold the wire down to its place. Is it good? Yeah, great. Doing more. Perfect. Now, soldering. Great. Will it hold the pressure? What do you think? Is it enough or not? Yeah, it can hold the pressure. Now, a small piece of Kapton tape. A small piece of Kapton tape in order to isolate the solder. Okay, that's a very large Kapton tape. What can we do for this? It's a bit large. What can we do is cut it in half with my cutter. Yeah, I think this part is good. This part is good. It's more than enough. Can you see? Yeah. It's more than enough, so we can route the Kapton tape around this thing and hold it together. Yeah, perfect. I'm gonna cut a small piece. Yeah, great. Now for testing, I should test before assembling. Yep, now connecting the power, turning on the laptop is turned on. Do we have picture? Yeah, we have a picture. Now, after assembling all the covers, let us do our last try. Opening the laptop, it's very sturdy, very hard. Great. Where's my power cable? The adapter. Turn on the laptop turns on. Here we have a picture, and we have a picture. Great. So this is it. It's a two job in one. First, we fixed the hinge, and second, we fixed the flex cable. The laptop is working fine. I don't have the password for this laptop to enter and see, but and it doesn't have a battery in it. I can consider it a job done. You can see no flickers, no cutout. The laptop is working fine. It's an HP Omen Core i7. I would say thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and I will see you in another job. Bye.